Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch Buds and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And once you open the menu, you can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen. You can find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. Okay, you can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, some of the watch faces have the settings icon under them, and you can tap on this icon and it allows you to change things like widgets, for example, like this. And then we can press the side button to apply the changes. Another way to change the watch face is to do it through settings on your watch. So you can press the side button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon. In settings, find the option called watch face and home, and tap on it, and here tap on watch face. And once you open the watch face menu, find the watch face you would like to use and tap on it to select it and apply it. And the last way to change the watch face is to do it through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. I'm gonna move the watch to the side, bring the phone, zoom out the camera so that you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. And now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch, then tap on devices, select the Huawei Watch Buds from the list of devices, then find the watch faces category and tap on more. If you don't see the watch faces category in the app, it could be because when you installed the Huawei Health application for the first time, you selected a region that doesn't support this feature, because when you're installing the application, you will need to select a region. You could try to reinstall the app and change or select different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom, and that hopefully will fix your problem. Okay, let's tap on more, tap on mine, and scroll down, and here we have the list of watch faces. Find the watch face you like, tap on it, and then tap on set as default. And it's gonna be applied on your watch. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.